two most basic French verbs. Let's go. So, as in English, the two most common verbs are to be and to have. So, as you know, these verbs, like in English, are used as auxiliary. So, we are going to see how to use these verbs. So it's very easy, and if you know them, normally you can start to speak, to say easy things. So let's go. So the verb to be in French is être, and the verb to have is avoir. So for the first one, in English, I am, you are, he, she, it is, we are, you are, they are. In French, so it is for the personal pronouns, you have just a small differences, because in English the second pronoun singular and the second pronoun in plural are the same, but in French it's different. So in French it will be je suis, tu es, il, elle, est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils, elles, sont. So if you see for the plural in French, il, elle, so you have just to add an S, the letter S, to put this in plural. For the verb to have, I have, you have, he, she, it have, we have, you have, they have. In French, so the verb to have, I repeat it, you have to pronounce like avoir, and it is j'ai, tu as, il, elle, a, nous avons, vous avez, il, elle, ont. Now let's do some examples, some exercise to see. So for example, I am an American citizen. I am is the first pronoun. So in French, je suis un citoyen américain. The second one, we have a red car. We is the first pronoun in plural. In French, nous avons une voiture rouge. You have a dog. So you, it will be in French the second pronoun in singular or the second pronoun in plural. So it will be. So here I decided to choose tu, but maybe it can be vous. So tu or vous. So me, I choose tu. Tu as un chien. After, he has some problems. Il a des problèmes. Then you are sad. Vous êtes triste. So in this part, I choose vous, but it could be tu. So vous êtes triste. And the last example, they have disappeared. Elle or ils ont disparu. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.